You can pull it apart. If you do, then you just have to replace the two rings. Again, it wasn't designed to be acid waste, but it actually can be, because this is polypropylene just like Orion and everybody else that does acid waste. The rings are EPDM, the spacer, we actually looked up, it's nylon, but we can replace this with whatever if you wanted to, if you knew you were going to use in kind of a low, low grade acid system.
And then basic glass, I want to put a glass P-trap in there.
You could, but we probably not want to, if you knew it was going to be truly acid waste, probably want to go just to the acid waste piping.
Because I'm thinking, I have a laboratory where all of my P-traps were glass Pyrex, so I can see what's in there.
Right, you could do that. The difference is, again, there has to be a transition fitting because this is still European, that is still metric. So nominal sizes. But the reason that this is a three-layer system, polypropylene inside, polypropylene outside, the Incolin inside. What that gets us is it's a sound attenuating material. So it actually has the same sound attenuating as cast iron. So that's, we do have, which was shown here, we do have the transition fittings to go from metric to IP. And I'm trying to make sure everybody gets out. We have enough time. I love this pipe, the spiral pipe. Two versions. One is you can use it for culvert, you can use it for a lot of things. There are two versions. One is, this is UPVC. It is spun on site. So instead of having to truck in and the expenses, as you all especially know, of concrete culvert and how many feet of 5-foot diameter concrete culvert can you actually get on a $6,000 or truck that's going to cost you $6,000. We can spin this on site. Leak proof. On the PVC version, you spin it and it's solvent welded. The whole joint's solvent welded. Well, I've done a whole bunch in my engineering career. I've done a lot of wastewater treatment plants. When I was talking with John, I said, what about, can we do this out of polypropylene? I said, one of the worst, the nastiest things are the influent lines, which have hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide, a little bit of water, get you sulfuric acid. What if we could do something like that? He went back to Turkey, they figured out, yep, we can do it. Same machine, they can put it on the rolls. Now in this case it's not solvent welded, but it is fusion welded. So again, does not leak. You can run entire lengths of this piping.
But still not pressurized.
Right, it's still gravity.